Hey y'all, I'm Crystal Dinkle with Pinnacle 5 Minerals, and I came over here to try the GemLightbox to see how it would work on a historic piece that I have. It's an old 1970s Nigerian Tourmaline. This is a piece that my dad ended up setting for me for my 35th birthday. So it's a really special piece for me, and I wanted to see how the gem was captured in the lightbox, the pictures, and then, whether or not this would be something that would be good for a company. Wow, look at that. That is so crazy. It captures it perfectly, and you're not seeing any difference in the saturation of color either, which I think is really difficult. And a lot of customers have that problem. They want to make sure that what they're seeing in the picture is what they're getting in the product. That is so awesome.
Everything. Beautiful.
Very cool. Awesome.